Hey guys, so I have a layover for this flight and I'm in Calgary for like an hour. I'm just walking to my gate for my flight to London. I think it's at that gate over there, so I'm gonna go sit and just relax before my flight. So I just landed in London and now I'm waiting for my baggage. I'm really tired because my flight is Jamali nahi sutti and I have been up since 5 a.m. yesterday and it's 3 a.m. in Canada right now. So I've almost not slept in 24 hours. Now I wait for my suitcase. Finally made it to my room. Hello, sunshine. London. This is a cute little room. Let's check out the view. I don't think there's much of a view though. But it's a cute room. London is always cute and little. See the bathroom. Ooh. Okay. Fine. That is the room. I am absolutely exhausted. I don't think I slept even for a minute on the plane. And I look like a hot mess, so I'm gonna shower first. Wash my hair. I should not even be lying on the bed in this airport clothes. So I'm gonna shower, wash my hair, and then take a nap because I'm tired. Okay, so I am up from my nap. मैं 3-4 घंटे सुती ते हुण मैं थोड़ा जिहा yoga ਕਰਨ ਲੱਗੀ ਆਂ. I don't have a yoga mat, so I'm using a little towel, makeshift yoga mat. And ਇੱਥੇ ਰਾਤ ਦੇ 8:30 ਵੱਜ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ yoga ਕਰਕੇ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਨਹਾ ਕੇ ਫਿਰ ਮੈਡੀਟੇਸ਼ਨ ਕਰਕੇ ਫਿਰ ਮੈਂ ਸੌਂ ਜਾਣਾ ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਕੱਲ ਤੋਂ ਕੰਮ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ. Good morning, guys. It is a beautiful day to be alive. It's my second day in England today and I got good sleep and I went and got breakfast, which I didn't vlog because I forgot. Now I'm gonna do some yoga and get ready for the day, and this is my morning breakfast outfit, but I think I'm gonna just wear this when I shower. So yeah, I'm gonna meditate, do yoga, and my head's hurting a little bit, and then I'm gonna go see my family today and spend time with them, and then tomorrow work starts. So that is the plan. Speaking of headaches, my mom actually made me a concoction, which I packed already actually. So I brought this with me. My mom made it for me. It is saunf and shakar and one other thing, I forgot what it was. Anyways, I brought this with me because it's supposed to help with headaches, because every morning I wake up with a headache. I think it's also the way I sleep probably makes it worse, but yeah. So anyways, I have a spoon of this with hot water, and now I'm just gonna warm up some water so I can drink it while I do yoga. Should put this here. I just, you know, the past few months I have been spending so much time alone that I just kind of love being alone. It's such a nice... Oh, I'm getting a call. So now I'm just packing up because we are going shopping for the shoot, and then I'm gonna go spend the day with my family. I mean, not the day, the evening with my family. The day is gonna be spent shopping, and I'm wearing the same clothes I was wearing yesterday. Okay, I'm heading out for the day, and I'm wearing the same clothes, but don't worry guys, I got my laundry done yesterday, so they are freshly washed, and yeah, gonna go shopping now. Later, gators. We're shopping, and we got a boy holding on to all of our stuff. BJ, make sure watch this stuff. Mandy, say hi.
Hello.
It's gonna be a vlog.
Is it? Oh,
Yeah.
cute.
I want to do a London
Hi,
vlog,
guys.
so we're shopping for the shoot.
Show them
for Emmy's.
brownies. Oh. Store. We never had it before in Westfield, so they just built one.
Oh, it's like the teddy
Emmy's,
bear.
yeah.
Oh. Bershka. Oh, it's over there.
You're squashing me.
Bija, fix her chair.
Bija, honestly, I'm 30 years old now. I can't.
Do what?
Hack this! Move!
Surprising her family. Wait.
Work, and I was a little bit concerned about she being mad at me.
Hi, Nikki.
I asked him to come over and
Preet!
talk for a little bit. I was asking.
What?
Yeah, I know.
Hi.
How does it feel to not know?
What are you doing here?
Came to see your
You're
new
in a bad
house.
way.
I came to see your new house.
Free.
We're making matcha in Simran's frothing machine. Not frothing machine, coffee machine.
I don't know how much milk comes out, so it might be too much. I have a feeling it might be a bit too much.
But you can press stop after. Just press start.
But Free, I think your mom's was funnier.
Yeah. See, I think it needs to be, I need to use the,
Frothy thing at the bottom.
yeah, because matcha doesn't mix properly. If you don't like, yeah, press stop. Simran's coffee looks a lot more appetizing than mine. Nikki, can I get the recipe for your protein balls?
You have to talk to his assistant manager.
Okay, can I get the recipe for it?
You know, don't do the recipe. What are you talking about?
No, I'm doing your making.
She
a-
won't give her a recipe of her protein balls. Can you just give it, like...
No. Don't give away all your secrets on it.
Okay, I know there's peanut butter in there. There's
You
flaxseed
don't know
in
how
there.
much. How much?
You know, it's better if you put the hidden cameras here. Then when she gonna make it, just
Yeah.
put the hidden camera. I mean, it's good.
Yeah.
Who wants the recipe for those protein balls? Nikki, what's the recipe for the protein balls?
Free, shut up.
She's so mean. Like, koi jadoo thodi hai. We can figure it out how to make it.
You're like a parrot.
The intro's so long.
We're gonna sing it.
Yeah, but just make it you to do the Michael Jackson move, that's why.
Okay, Nikki, do the Michael Jackson.
Rajan, can you show me the tissue of the... So their menus are dirty. But why are we here, Aaron? Because it's your dad's favorite restaurant?
You're gonna make me upset.
He looks very happy.
And I've been taken to places like the Ivy, All Bar One,
Dishoom.
Dishoom.
And Raj Uncle doesn't like Dishoom, right?
He does actually.
No, but he
One
said,
at
hey, he
King's
said,
Cross.
Kana Pika. He doesn't say it's good.
Under Hyde.
Can we get water, please? With 6 glasses. I'm thirsty. We're gonna drink.
Also, bottles.
Try this.
They don't gonna have bottles.
Where's the Tolia?
It's black. That's all I got.
Oh god. What did they do? For a hair transplant?
Take the hair from your butt and they put it here.
No, did you not know that?
I didn't know that.
Actually. Huh?
Yeah.
Why do they use the hair from your butt?
It's the thickest. But it's gonna be so much painful to take hair from the bum. But they put anesthetic in your bum so you don't feel it. We're still numbing cream.
They will put majjala badda tikka.
They put numbing cream.
It's a beautiful day to be alive. I stayed the night at my cousin's house and it is 2 p.m. and I'm just getting up. We stayed up till like 4 in the morning talking and I have a shoot tomorrow. So I was trying to catch up with my sleep. Let me show you the view outside. This is the view. What are you making?
breakfast.
At 3 p.m.
Breakfast, dinner, lunch.
Wait, what are you making me? Latte? Or just makes a latte.
Huh?
I can't take it.
My breakfast.
I think they're gonna say something.
It's not really liquid.
Remember, there's chicken wings. Where's Aaron?